I relax at home. I relax at home. I listen to the rain. I listen to the rain. I wake up slowly. I wake up slowly. I take a little nap. I take a little nap. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I hug the pillow. I hug the pillow. I lie down on the couch. I lie down on the couch. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I yawn softly. I yawn softly. I pause the movie. I pause the movie. I nibble a cookie. I nibble a cookie. I munch a little snack. I munch a little snack. I laugh at a scene. I laugh at a scene. I watch a cozy movie. I watch a cozy movie. I pick a fun movie. I pick a fun movie. I reach for the remote. I reach for the remote. I close the book. I close the book. I daydream a little. I daydream a little. I giggle at the book. I giggle at the book. I turn the page. I turn the page. I read a nice story. I read a nice story. I open the book. I open the book. I pick up a book. I pick up a book. I snuggle a pillow. I snuggle a pillow. I sit on the couch. I sit on the couch. I wrap myself up. I wrap myself up. I shake out the blanket. I shake out the blanket. I grab the cozy blanket. I grab the cozy blanket. I find a soft blanket. I find a soft blanket. I warm my hands. I warm my hands. I sip the tea slowly. I sip the tea slowly. I smell the warm tea. I smell the warm tea. I add some honey. I add some honey. I stir the tea. I stir the tea. I pour the hot water. I pour the hot water. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I choose a tea bag. I choose a tea bag. I boil the water. I boil the water. I fill the kettle. I fill the kettle. I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen. I turn on the lamp. I turn on the lamp. I draw the curtains. I draw the curtains. I lock the latch. I lock the latch. I close the window. I close the window. I feel a little chilly. I feel a little chilly. I notice the gray clouds. I notice the gray clouds. I touch the cold glass. I touch the cold glass. I watch the raindrops. I watch the raindrops. I look out the window. I look out the window. I hear the rain. I hear the rain. Relax. Listen. Wake. Nap. Shut. Hug. Lie. Stretch. Yawn. Pause. Nibble. Munch. Laugh. Watch a movie. Pick a movie. Reach. Close a book. Daydream. Giggle. Turn a page. Read. Open. Pick. Snuggle. Sit. Wrap. Shake. Grab. Find. Warm. Sip. Smell. Add. Stir. Pour. Make. Choose. Boil. Fill. Walk. Turn. Draw. Lock. Close. Feel. Notice. Touch. Watch. Look. Here.